So hi, today we want to show you a little script to make a PDF in a fast way. You just go and press Ctrl B here to make the PDF, and this is the script. Let's see, hello. This is a simple PDF I am sending to you. Okay, now we press Ctrl B, and here it is. So now let's see if we can make it with some HTML. So here I'm gonna do title of the PDF, H1, number of good features, it's fast, it's liked, it's free. It's easy to adapt to your need. Okay. And P style equal color red. So Ctrl B, and here it is. Title of the PDF. You see that the HTML can help you to make it so very with colors and title, etc., and also images if you want. So I think it's pretty simple code. You get to install PDF Kit to make it work. Tkinter is a built-in module, just like OS. And so that's all. You can find the code into a repository and also on the blog pythonprogramming.altervista.org. See you next time.